Okay, hello dear friends, good morning, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Bonjour mes amis, bonjour. So this is Tours and Cathédrale de Tours. Tours is a university town full of young students, so it's very lively. And the following you will see the video montage of my a little bit of my work there. And I am with family, so I do not take a lot of video, take a lot of time, take video. But that's what you are going to see and get the feeling of the city. And after visiting the Le Mans Museum, Auto Museum, Le Mans was not that particular day, the 24 hours was not at a particular day, it's on the weekend. So we visited the Le Mans Museum and saw people visiting and people getting prepared. And the passion of people for cars, for the huge toy, and it's just so inspiring. Then we went to downtown, the old town of Le Mans. It's a quiet little town without the car race. Usually it feels very quiet, not so many people, with boutique store and stone house, alleys. It's just, you get a feeling.
ja, Chevalier Blanc那个。哇，你看，这么好看的小商店，so cute。